How to change your ChatGPT phone number. So currently ChatGPT does not provide a self-service option to change the phone number associated with your account, but what you can do instead is visit the help center if you don't have access to your old phone number. So you can click on your profile logo here and click on help and then help center. And then you want to click on the support chat icon right here on the left, on the right side at the bottom. And then you should ask a question. So for example, you can write something like, I've lost access to the phone number associated with my ChatGPT account, and send this. And this will ask you to enter an email to continue. Now you can press continue. Now you can follow the prompts to guide you through. So there is an option to sign in with the email or Google, and the phone was just for verification. Or if you have created an account using the phone only, you can basically choose option 2. And you can specify it's phone only, and if you're currently logged in on any device right now, so you can basically say yes or no if you're logged in and send the message. And it will guide you through the process. It will tell you that since you're logged in on any device, if you're logged in, you can basically go back to your ChatGPT, go to settings, and then you want to go to the security and login page, and it will ask you to link an email address to your phone only account. So if you can't see the email option here, you can usually find it under account, and in here you should click on the email tab, and it will ask you to add an email if you have a phone number only account and you've lost access to that phone number. Or if you lost access to the account entirely, you can basically tell it here, and it will connect you with the ChatGPT support to help you in case if you need further help. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.